Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Herndon, Virginia, and the homeowner has a leak right this corner post here. And he hired somebody once before to do repairs, but unfortunately he still has the same leak. Now, the first thing I wanted to see was this gutter here to see if the gutter was pitched in properly, and that's all good. The valley on the upper roof, that's good. There's no problems there. So now I know that leak is here somewhere along the wall. Now, the plywood here feels a little bit soft, so we may have to remove and replace it. But the big problem is the way they install these shingles along the wall, and I'll show you what I mean. Right here, you see that nail exposed? It's exposed right here at the key. So if there's a heavy downpour or melting snow, the water will get in here, seep through the side of the nail, and the water will always settle at the lowest point, which is the corner post. And you can see it's here too. It's like this everywhere now there too. Now, whoever did the roofing over here was better. And you'll see there's no nails exposed in the flashing. So this side is good. They won't have any leaks. The nail that's holding in this flashing into place, it's underneath this one. So this piece of flashing is overlapping the nail. So that's good. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove all the roofing material along the wall. We're going to remove and replace the flashing, and then we'll re-shingle this area. And that's it. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair, roof replacement, and gutter and downspout replacement in Herndon and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.